You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can fight the time, but I see it in you, so we're gonna walk it out. Mountain, and I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day, I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid to rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Was ist hier los?
And I'll rise up, high like the waves, I'll rise up, in spite of the ache, I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000. All we need, oh, we need is hope, and for that we have each other, for that we have each other, yeah. We will rise, we will rise, we'll rise. For you, for you, for you, for you.
Okay, nach Hause gehen.
Incredible! So proud. Thank you so much.
Zugabe, Zugabe, Zugabe. Wow. Mach das bitte, bitte nochmal.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round. Mountains. I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day, I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid to rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. Yeah, we will rise, we will rise, we'll rise. For you, for you. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. The battle begins. Wow. Okay. Do you speak German?
Sorry, no.
No. Okay.
Okay, tell us, like, what's your name, where you're from, your age, and everything.
Hi guys, my name is Fiona. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Ireland.
What brings you here? Why are you here?
I'm actually here because I just wanted to, show off my talent and make my mom proud. And also, I have joined the Voice Kids UK back in 2021.
All right.
And I seen this as another opportunity,
Yeah.
And I just
Amazing.
took it.
You did make your mom proud. She was crying like a waterfall.
You even made me proud, and I don't even know you. This is like super crazy.
Thank you so much.
This is like from another planet. I hear the first minutes, and I say, I really can't believe this. And then I turn around, and then you start going on to the other notes, and I feel like, okay, this is not possible. We're at the Voice Kids. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, it was just amazing. I'm really overwhelmed, and I really don't know what to say because I don't want to say something wrong. Because obviously everybody wants you to have in the team.
Fiona, I'm really blown away. I was sitting there and I couldn't even move and couldn't even believe it that this huge voice coming out of a 15-year-old. I really, really hope you will make it far in this show. I mean, you're in the next round already, but I want to hear so much more of your voice and so many more songs of you.
Thank you so
I'm really
much.
looking forward. And it would be an honor to have you in my team so we can kick some asses over there and make your mom even prouder.
So obviously everyone wants to have you in their team. Also, I probably cannot teach you any like singing because you sing so much better than me. But oh yes, you do. But,
More than anyone of us. Yeah.
but I think I could help you with moving on with your career because I think that's what you want to do. I mean, I'm sorry guys, but I do have a lot of Instagram and TikTok followers and stuff like that. So
Me too, everyone has.
like,
Not us.
Messt dich nicht mit Euro, so leer.
No, we don't have many Instagram followers, but we are singing way better than you. I mean, so if we can teach you something, then it's singing. No, that's not true. We just know how to win this show. That's it.
Fiona, one thing, maybe can I sing something for you?
relax, Alvaro, relax.
Would that be okay?
Shush, 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 shush,
Maybe it's a
shush,
song that
shush.
you even know and you can sing with me.
Don't look in his
Well,
eyes
I'm just gonna
for
do
too
it.
long.
First of all, I just want to say hi. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
She doesn't even said yes.
Oh, danke dir. Okay, I'm pretty nervous. I have like not prepared this at all. I think maybe you know it. You can sit in my chair if you. Yeah, actually, you go ahead, make yourself comfortable, take some water. Yeah.
Hello, Fiona. It was very, very impressive. No.
Wow, you're like, very good. Sie so, zack,
That's what it.
I remember when I lost my mind. There's something so pleasant about that place. Maybe my emotions are echo so much space. Now who do you think you are? Ha ha ha, special soul. Think you're in control. Baby, you're crazy. Baby, you're crazy. Baby, you're crazy. Just like me. Baby, you're crazy. Baby, you're crazy. Yeah, you're crazy. Fiona, you're crazy just like me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ole.
Okay. Thanks, Fiona. I would love to do some songwriting with you and working on your artist profile and do some stuff together on an international level. That would be amazing. Right.
I think it's
You
your
can stay
time to
here, yeah.
decide.
Yeah.
So I think it's more about your future now. The time in Germany, how do you want to spend it? Is it with some bratwurst and stuff with these guys? Or some, Spanish tapas and good music?
Okay. Oh, let me breathe. The coach I'm going to pick is Alvaro.
Amazing, Fiona. Wow. Great pick. Great choice. I have a gift for you. Yeah, come with me. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
You're welcome.
I have a ukulele for you.
Actually,
Yeah.
no way.
Yes, for you.
My one
Yeah.
actually just broke.
Really? I knew it. That's why I got you one. Yeah. No. Thank you so much. Please
you so
applause
much,
and Fiona. Okay.
I'm so proud of you. I couldn't really feel anything at first because I was so nervous, but as soon as the live audience started cheering for me, the more energetic I got and the more confident I got when I was singing.